Well, well, well. Fancy seeing you here, Starlight. You know you don't have to wince every time I call you that, right? It's my special nickname for you. Mm-hmm. You're every bit as special as the stars in the sky. What? Too cheesy for you? Oh, okay. Well, the stars are basically orbs of fire, right? You're hot, is what I'm trying to say. My, someone is feeling bold tonight. You've never really admitted you find me attractive before this. I'd be blushing if you managed to say that without stuttering. But seriously, Starlight, it's kind of strange seeing you on the rooftop for such a social event. I'd have thought you'd be curled up in bed, eating waffles, watching one of those old 90s rom-com movies with a 7.5 rating on IMDb. Yes, you have become that predictable. But it's not a bad thing. I honestly have no idea why you're so embarrassed about being caught watching Notting Hill that one time. It's a really good movie. We had fun watching the latter half together, didn't we? Yeah, well, it's not my fault you paid more attention to me than Julia Roberts' character. And it wasn't even your first time watching the film. Surely you've gotten over it. I just wanted to bring you some snacks. I'm such a monster. Come on, Starlight. It's nowhere near as embarrassing as it'd be if I'd walked in on you watching, I don't know, Pretty Woman? Oh, wait. I did walk in on you watching Pretty Woman. Well, it's your fault for not locking your apartment door. What's up with that anyway? So you've told me. It's to make any cats feel welcome that might be in need of food or cuddles. Oh, you're so thoughtful. Keeping the door open for them because they don't have opposable thumbs. But darling, if a cat wanted to get in, it'd just enter through the window. I'm starting to think you just enjoy having me over. And you're too lazy to get out of bed and open the door. Yeah, I do enjoy coming over to your place myself. You're really chill and fun to hang out with. I also don't mind when we cuddle, because you're not used to how cold the winters in this place can be. Smooth. That one was really smooth. Totally unconvincing, but hey, it worked. Go Team Starlight. Seriously though, why are you here? Yeah, okay, that came out kind of existential. Sorry. But you know what I mean. What exactly brought you to this New Year's Eve party? You had nothing better to do? That is... okay. Yeah, I guess that is believable at least. Hey, maybe we can watch the city lights together. That'd be better than talking to all these people. Yeah, we can be antisocial together. Tell me, do you see that window in the distance? Yeah, that one with the pale, hazy yellow light just near the park. Can you see it? What do you think is going on inside? Who might be living there? Of course I don't know, but guessing is kind of fun. I think I think there might be a girl inside who wants to become a singer. Or something totally different. I don't know. Anyway, point is, she has a sweet voice, even if she's shy about singing. Oh, and she can play the guitar. And she's currently perched on a chair near the window, strumming a tune on her guitar and humming along. Well, duh, I don't actually know. But until we walk all the way over there to find out, there may very well be a girl sitting near the window playing on her guitar, singing songs when nobody can hear her. What kind of songs? Oh, sad ones. Full of meaning, mind you, but sad ones. And it's because she gazes out of her window sometimes at the park below and thinks of her crush. Probably a childhood friend. Yeah, she wants to have them, but they already have a girlfriend. It's rough. Yeah, that is life, I suppose. But I think she'll get her chance eventually. Doesn't hurt to hope. Trust me, Starlight. It never hurts to hope. Now, abandoning all hope, on the other hand, that stings like a bee. Oh, yeah, you're right. That's a plane in the sky, isn't it? It's flying towards the airport. I think it's about to land. What about the airport over there? You try to guess what's happening inside. I'll get us some drinks in the meantime. What would you like? They have scotch and martinis and vodka, I think. And of course they would have red wine, but also Dr. Pepper. Oh, honey, I don't think they have Dr. Pepper here. How cute. What? No way. They are serving Dr. Pepper at this party. This is why you came up here, didn't you? I don't know, I just thought they only had alcohol. Okay, fine. I'll bring you some Dr. Pepper. Be right back. A cosmopolitan for me because I'm classy that way, and a glass of Dr. Pepper for my Starlight because Starlight has no class or taste. But anyways, no, nothing. Here's your drink. You're welcome, by the way. So, the airport. What do you think's going on inside? Yeah, I know people are waiting to board airplanes. But come on, Starlight. I know you have more imagination than this. Think of all the movies you watch. There has to be a better story. Okay, two people are meeting each other at the airport. That's a good start. What else? Why are they meeting each other at the airport? By accident? Okay, I see. So basically one of them ran into the other. They ran into their... what? Ex-girlfriend? Really? No, nothing's wrong with it. I mean, never mind. I guess it could totally happen. So, our protagonist ran into their ex-girlfriend at that airport, all the way over there. And are they catching the same flight? Of course not. She's headed somewhere else, but then they meet and they realize how much they've missed each other and they end up on the same flight, right? good story. What about that light over there? Oh, that's easy. Someone's having a girl's sleepover. Duh. It's kind of obvious. That light has got that vibe to it. A party vibe. I can almost hear the party beats raging on the other side of the window. Yeah. Plus, look. There's a tent on the roof of the same building. So that's probably like a younger sibling who escaped to the terrace to avoid her sister's friends. I don't know, maybe they just wanted to watch the stars. Maybe there's a meteor shower tonight or something, where they just wanted to see the fireworks. Look at all these stars, though. Twinkling like they're sleepy and tired of being blamed for all our problems. Do you know why I named you Starlight? Well, I used to have a dog, a husky. I got him when he was just a puppy. Growing up, he was my best friend. And before you ask, no, I'm not comparing you to a dog. It's just that on nights like these, I'd sneak up onto the roof with him. And I'd point out all the stars and constellations to him. And he would stare up at the night sky. Such curiosity. Sometimes we'd end up spending hours on the roof, just stargazing. I don't know when life got so busy or when I stopped looking at the stars. You know how it is. We just get caught up in life. Forget about the simple things. I do know when I started stargazing again, though. It was right after I met you. There were no fireworks, no meteors or anything like that. I mean, you'd only just moved into the building and we chatted for a bit, and I thought you were really cool. Like, genuinely nice. But I wasn't going to crush on you like some blushing schoolgirl. I didn't even know you. Of course not. I wouldn't do that. So on that night, as I was walking back to my place, I looked up at the sky on an impulse. Out of the blue. And I just stood there for like the longest time. It's a good thing you didn't see me, or you'd have probably thought I was crazy. I don't know, Starlight. I can't explain it. You just reminded me of what I felt when I was free. When I was discovering the world for the first time. Something about you reminded me of happier days. I guess it's the way you make me feel. Like giggly and happy. I like you. I do like you. It's not like you can't tell, dummy. Why else would I come over so often? Why else would I be holding your hand in mine right now? I hate New Year's resolutions, but I promised myself I'd at least tell you how I feel. I want to begin this year with you because I like you. I'm in love with you. Oh, silly. No other girl would spoil you with so much attention. No other girl but me. You're mine now. Do you understand? We belong together. Now come on, let's spend the first night of the year somewhere else. Don't get all shy now. You know where I mean. You've never been to my bedroom before, have you? Well then, let's fix that. Oh yes, we're totally going to watch movies in my bedroom. I mean, what else would we be doing? I have popcorn and nachos and soda. Some pizza from earlier in the... What? Silly questions have silly answers. But hey, I want you to know something, Starlight. You're safe with me. You'll always be. We can do whatever you like, okay? We can watch movies or play Monopoly or go through the phone book together. I don't really care. As long as you're with me. Happy New Year, neighbor.